Alright, this should be the assembly for the motor case. We'll have our gear already assembled, our pinion on our motor shaft. Should be just about flush with the end of it for the depth here. So when you put the gear in here and then the motor case in the correct position, they'll be about flush with each other. So first thing we'll do is we're going to attach the one side of the motor onto the motor case. And then we don't want to tighten it down tight, we want to still be able to move this. And then we will attach the other side, and the same thing, we still want to be able to move it around. But you want them to be touching the plastic but still be able to move it, so that it's not wiggly loose but it can still slide. Then we will take our gear, and then we can take another strip of paper, doesn't need to be quite that big, and with it like this we can squish it a little bit between the two gears. We can take this other half the motor case on, push it together until it seats, hold this, push the motor down firmly, and then with it pushed down, you can see inside of here the paper's still squished in between. And then we will go through and tighten down both screws of the case, and we can pop this open again, and then we can roll the piece of paper out. And then now when we put the case back together, you can put the screws back in there, you have the correct mesh set. So then you just screw the case back together, and then that should have your, it's kind of hard to see, correct pinion mesh set in there.